Good morning, friends. Today it's 5th of Feb 2025, and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty futures for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. Nifty spot, which formed a bullish weekly candlestick last week, has ended well above 23,200 mark last week at 23,482 levels. This week, we witnessed that the index made a low of 23,222, just around support of 23,200 levels, and bounced back sharply in last session at 23,740 levels, up 1.62%. Technically, as per the price study, Nifty 50 spot index sustaining over and above 23,200 levels hold range to pullback outlook with immediate strong resistances at around 24,200 followed by higher extension levels of 25,200 which remains the midterm resistance level. The index can be looked for buying on dips with the counter-specific momentum with hedged outlook. Bank Nifty index, which formed bullish engulfing candle last week, it witnessed buying interest on dips above mentioned support levels of 49,000, 48,500 zone, while on the higher, the index has a strong resistance at around 51,000 followed by extended 52,000 levels which need to be sustained for fresh short covering come buying interest in days to come. Last session, Bank Nifty spot ended at 50,158, up 1.3%. For the day today, Nifty spot holding over and above 23,600 and Bank Nifty spot above 49,500 can be looked for buying on dips with strict stop losses. Nifty mid cap index holding over and above 52,000 mark and Nifty small cap index holding above 16,500 can be traded with range to up outlook. If we talk about dollar index, it is slipped down from the highs of $109.75 to $107.81 in last couple of sessions, which indicates a slightly positive outlook for the emerging markets. Trading below $110, US dollar index upside remains capped with a support at around $105 and lower. RBI policy is round the corner and thus interest sensitive sectors can remain in focus. If we talk about other indices, Nifty Realty, Nifty Infra, Auto, Metal, FMCG and even Nifty Private Bank indices have formed double and triple bottoms on weekly time frame, indicating buying interest can be visible on dips and they can remain in focus. Heavyweight counters still have option sellers active at a higher end out of money strikes, indicating hedged longs outlook. That's all from my end. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.